750 on the Holley Street Dominator, test 1. Still warming.
Something still on the headers, or
is that a wire hanging there? Oh, it's one of his wire ties.
oh, it's a wire tie burning.
I see 509 at 5900. Boy, the torque's down. Where'd my torque go? Everything's down. Run.
Pretty good.
526.
Torque's not as good.
Yeah.
But it's carrying the power pretty good. See, it's carrying the best power. It's carrying 6100. That runner, that blink, runner length was shorter on that manifold. I was looking at your fuel consumption. Might be interesting to stick the spacer under that sucker.
Okay.
Baseline right there.
Well.
Carry the power a lot better. Your 506 and 62, that runner length is definitely shorter on that manifold. You know, you sacrifice torque down here, but it certainly carries better. I mean, you can sit there and look. I mean, a while ago we were peaking power sometimes down here in the 55 to 600 RPM range. Look how much we've moved it up.
Wow, yeah.
It's still carrying 506 and 62. I think a while ago, if you look at your bed sheet. Well, that's a dual plane. 6,900, and it was falling hard after that under another hit.
6400.
Yeah, that's back, not cooling heads or anything, so that torque's coming up there a little bit. It cool the heads down a little bit.
Putting on some of that trickery.
Tunnel Ram.
Or 34.3.
Yep.
That just about matched the tunnel ram, didn't it?
That's what he said. You didn't put your hat back on it.
Yeah, I know I was going to do that next pull. I got the roll in my 524. I think it did like that fuel. We're up some torque.
Oh yeah.
It's cool down and everything else. That's trouble falling in.
Holley with a spacer, the 750, and air hat, and the DUI. There's Joe and Drew.
80s and 88s. How cool the head's done we'd be there. It's 527 5700, 524 5800, 590 521. Still carrying 520 and 6100, 506 and 62. Like the fuel, torque's up for that manifold substantially. Now our fuel consumption is a little closer.
Yeah.
What was that? So that dual plenum intake. What happens is the dual plenum intake had a little stronger signal.
Uh-huh.
When we put the single plane intake on there, that car being a little more dead. Pretty good. I mean, cool it down, make you a hero for. What else you want to do?
We thought about all the dyno tests were done with these headers. We had a clearance of just a little bit right there. But these are 1 7/8 tube, 3-inch collector, which actually, if you look on the inside, is only about 2 3/4 across there. Into this TPI collector that reduces it down to 2.5 outside diameter. And then if you look at our glass pack, they're very hot. 2.5-inch diameter on the outside, so it's actually a little smaller on the inside. But they do have a spiral core, and I ran it on my race car before. We want to see a dyno difference between running these and just the open collector now. These are 18 inches long, about 2.5 inches of pipe on each side.